This is a short video presentation, and it really is going to be short, I promise, about solving by substitution with some special cases that are actually very easy to do. The first one was you have the equations, whether or not there's fractions, where you have the equations solved for y. This equation, the first one, y equals 3/2 x minus 2. Second one, y equals -1/4 x plus 5. Since they're both solved for y, I can take the two equations and set them equal. So I end up with -1/4 x plus 5 equals 3/2 x minus 2. And we solve. Kill the fractions. -4. We'll just go with 4. And multiply by -4. Again, positive 4. All right. Distribute, I get -x plus 20 equals 4 times 3/2 x minus 4 times 2 is 8. 2 goes into here, 2, and we end up with 6x minus 8 and -x plus 20. I'm going to add x plus x plus x, and I'm going to add 8 plus 8 plus 8. I get 28 equals 7x. Divide by 7, and we find out that x is equal to 4. Now, I substitute back into one of the equations. Doesn't matter which one. I'll go with the top one, where we have y equals 3/2 x minus 2. That's this equation right here. 3/2 x minus 2. And we know that x is 4. Y equals 3/2 times 4 over 1 minus 2. Y equals 6 minus 2. Y is equal to 4. So we have the ordered pair 4, 4. And then we check. All right, last case, even easier. Sometimes you will encounter systems of equations where one of the equations is already solved. X is equal to 2, or it could be y. Doesn't matter. We take the x equals 2. We substitute that in for x. And I get -2, the opposite of x would make that a -2, plus 2y equals -4. Add 2, 2y equals -2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Y is equal to -1. Ordered pair 2, -1. And check. That's all there is to it. Solving the systems of equations can be very easy. Sometimes we set the equations equal to each other. Other times, half our work is done for us. All right, told you it was going to be short. Go Packers! Well, that might not be happening. See ya!